Zara, come through. Spring, summer, who? Once quarantine is over, you're gonna see me. You're gonna see me out in the streets. Zara, who? Bottega new. Ah! Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a huge Zara haul. This is going to be a try on of all the Zara items that I have new in. Spring summer 2020 is fast approaching, so what better shop to go to than Zara for all of your spring summer runway catwalk inspiration outfits. I'm specifically going to stick to the spring summer trends for 2020. Zara new in unboxing. Before we get into this video guys, don't forget, hit that subscribe button if you love fashion content. Give this video a thumbs up, hit that notification bell so you know every time I upload. Guys, you don't want to miss any of this juicy content, and I hope all of you guys are staying safe. So without further ado, let's just get straight into this huge Zara haul slash try on trends for spring summer 2020. Guys, just to let you know, my earrings and my headband are from Zara. I got these a while ago, and I also got this. Links to all items will be down below. So the first item on my rail is this absolutely gorgeous crop top. Now on the rail it doesn't look like much, but guys, wait till I try this on. It has a crisscross detail in front, and then it has darts that make it just a really nice bustier. Crop tops are a huge trend for spring summer. Bralette tops in particular, we've seen it all over the runway. A bralette crop top is a must-have for spring summer, and as you can see there's like an elastic here. The price of this was amazing. It was $17.99 and I got the XXL. I'm going to be styling this up with these trusty pair of mum jeans from Primark. These are my go-to jeans, you guys already know. Another item that I got from Zara are these absolutely gorgeous square toe heels. Bottega vibes. Hello. It has a strap that ties around your ankle twice. So comfortable. I got mine in a Euro size 40 and they are real leather, so I'll be styling this crop top with these shoes and the jeans. So here we have the crop top. As you can see, it has like some crisscross cutout detail at the side, which makes it look quite expensive. The only fault about this top is the straps are not adjustable. So can you see, this would be a lot better if it gave me some more like support. Apart from that, I absolutely love the design. The back of it has like an elastic. I might even get a second one. I'll have to stitch these top parts. Apart from that, I absolutely love this. What do you guys think? I just genuinely wish that these straps were adjustable, because right now I feel like everything is in jeopardy of falling out. The crop top to me looks quite high fashion. It reminds me of David Corma, more like a corseted type of top as opposed to just a crop top. Just to show you the whole outfit. Alright guys, the next item off the rail is absolutely gorgeous black structured shoulder pad blazer. Extra long, it goes all the way to your ankles. The reason why I love this so much is because the shoulders are padded with shoulder pads, so it makes it super structured. I love the lapels. There are buttons down the side. I believe this was about £119. I'm also going to be pairing this outfit with these army boots. Prada. No honey, Primark. So I actually bought these from Primark quite a few months ago. I've literally worn them every single day since I've got them. The crop top with this blazer, but with these boots, it will give it more of an army sort of vibe. Military style is very much in, so I think these tucked into the jeans will look really nice. I've put this blazer over the outfit that I wore before. Can you see the shoulders are so structured? I absolutely love this. For those of you who don't want to show as much but you still want to incorporate bralette top trend, this is absolutely spectacular. I've just made this look a lot more edgier with the boots. I just thought this would be a really cool casual sort of spring time look. It's very fashionable all at the same time. Guys, the next item on my rail is this gorgeous polka dot brown and white with a slit at the back skirt. Now this ties in with the whole polka dot trend. Everywhere on the runway for spring summer, polka dots come into play. I loved how Balenciaga did it, head to toe polka dots with the exaggerated shoulders. I actually got this in the Zara sale like a couple of months ago, extra large, and it was $19.99. What caught my eye about this, can you see the frills literally at the top of the skirt? Now if you're one of these people that has bottom tummy, stuff like this is absolutely perfect because the skirt will cinch you in at the smallest part of your waist and then cover all of those lumpy bumpy areas. Also, if you're someone who doesn't have an hourglass figure and would like to create that illusion, this skirt is absolutely perfect for that because the way it frills out, it hits at your hips, so it will create an illusion of a figure eight, boom boom. Like I'm going to be pairing it again with this crop top. This crop top literally goes with everything. I'll also be pairing it with these strappy sandals. These sandals are like going to be my go-to for spring summer. I have actually decided to pair the skirt with this sheer top. It's actually a dress. It's from the H&M and Joanna Ortiz collaboration, but I've literally just tucked it all the way in and I've decided to use it as a shirt. I love these exaggerated balloon sleeves. Exaggerated sleeves, once again, another trend for spring summer 20. I still have the crop top underneath because this is a sheer, very sheer linen sort of material, but I just love how it looks. Very, very chic, and once again absolutely fabulous for spring summer. Love this. I feel very chic. To show you the full outfit, this material is so thick, oh my gosh. All of the emphasis is literally being brought into my waist and out, and then balloon sleeves out. It just creates an illusion of a 8. Do you guys get it? This skirt, in my opinion, doesn't look like it's from the high street. Definitely not. Oh no, don't let me up my jaw. In the back, taco. You don't know how to cook, buddy, hot dog. Then I can kind of like adios. Please comment down below if you know what TikTok I'm trying to do. For those who don't, just ignore me. On to the next item on the rail. We have this gorgeous wide leg pair of pink, hot pink Zarahaul mousse inspired trousers. Zara, come through. Yes, you killed it. Like spring summer who? These trousers are everything. Everything. Okay, honestly, girls, guys, whoever's watching, you need these in your life. Absolutely stunning. Jacquemus. Anyway, for those who have watched his spring summer 20 runway, you will know exactly what I'm talking about. I absolutely love this color. Also, it has the seams in the front, which makes trousers, FYI, seem a lot more expensive. An extra large, and they were only $29.99. Oh my gosh, that is really good. They're made of this linen material, so when you walk, they're gonna flow. They're gonna feel nice and cool during the summertime. Head to toe color is like very in for spring, summer 2020, and I absolutely love color. You guys know me. If it has color, it has my name on it. I'm actually going to be color blocking this outfit, so I'm going to put it with my Hermes scarf. You guys would have seen it in my what I got for Christmas video. Absolutely love this scarf. It has a beautiful zebra on it. It has all the colors from pinks to greens, and I'm going to pair it with this crop top. This crop top I've literally been wearing since the beginning of this video. It goes with everything. $17.99, go get it. Need I say anymore? I'm also going to be pairing this outfit with my infamous Birkin 30. Look at the greens, the pinks. Ah, this is gorgeous. Once quarantine is over, you're gonna see me. You're gonna see me out in the streets, okay? Just as a prop, I'm gonna use this. It's a faux ostrich, matches perfectly with my Birkin. I forgot to show you that I wanted to add in these earrings that I also got from Zara. They are $15.99. Absolutely gorgeous pineapple yellow earrings. So I would definitely wear these with this outfit to tie in the look. I love these trousers. The colors. Yes. I'm about 5'5", and with heels, these trousers touch the floor. So they're definitely appropriate for taller people. And they hang very nicely, and they have pockets. I love these trousers, and they don't crease so much. Can you see they literally skim the floor? They're like the perfect height. Zara sizing may not be that great, but when it comes to the length of their trousers and skirts, they get it every single time. So I'm just gonna act like I'm going away on holiday, even though I'm inside my house, self-isolating. I love this look. I just love all the colors. The next item on the rail is this gorgeous orange bodysuit. This is made out of a very, very stretchy material. The cut of this bodysuit is so flattering, and it's such a good price, $12.99, and I got this in a size medium. This boils into the neon trend, neon yellows, neon pinks, and this ties in really, really nicely with that whole trend. With this bodysuit, I'm actually going to be pairing it with these blue jeans and this blue Levi jacket. This is actually my fiance's jacket, it's not mine, but for the purposes of this video, I wanted to style it in a whole double denim sort of vibe. Double denim is very, very prominent for this spring summer 20 as well. I think it's really nice in terms of the cut, and it's quite flattering. It holds up the boobs. The outfits like this are perfect for springtime. It's like not quite hot, but it's not quite cold. And if you don't really know what to wear, literally just throw on double denim and a tank top and you're good to go, honey. Orange just gives a pop to the overall outfit. I just think it's something very different as opposed to just a normal white tank top. So I really like this look. And then the double denim, again, very on trend, very cool, very weather appropriate. Just throw on a pair of trainers for a daytime casual look. Throw on a pair of heels for a girls' night out. The next outfit ties into a trend that has got to do with statement belts. Now, I got this belt from Zara late last year. I actually shared it in my last Zara haul. If you haven't watched it, go and watch it. During the sale time, I then got this wrap around orange/black pleated skirt. I just loved, again, the shoulder pads. Like, it ties into that whole exaggerated shoulders trend. This dress reminds me of a Bottega Veneta sort of vibe. It's made so well. $49.99 in a size large, and then it has these tie details at the neck with the belt. I think it would look gorgeous. So here we have the dress. As you can see, it's absolutely gorgeous. Look at these shoulder pads. Straight hell. What? I would have actually paid full price for this. From the double tone to the pleats to the cinching of the waist to the tie detail to the shoulder pads, this dress is perfection. Oh my gosh. And there are pockets and there's a slit. Oh, this dress is flattering AF. Stunning. Oh my gosh. Ugh. Zara who? Bottega new. Ah. Look how it cinches me in at the waist. Wow. This dress is absolutely stunning. Now, it was actually part of the Zara Studio collection. So usually what I do, I just go on eBay if there's a collection in Zara that has sold out that I really wanted. I don't think you'll be able to tell that it's Zara. You can actually dress this dress down with, again, these army boots. These boots literally go with everything. I'm just gonna switch it out so you can see exactly how you can just switch up the outfit and make it a bit more casual, daytime appropriate. I've literally just added in the belt, which I think cinches in the waist even more and draws like a really nice attention to detail to your waist area. And I've toughened it up just a bit with the boots. Again, this is just to transition the dress from nighttime or workwear appropriate to daytime. You want to get the most wear out of these items as possible. It doesn't matter whether they're high street, high end, cost per wear is necessary. The shoulder pads of this outfit plus the cinched in waist and the belt just make you have a shape, an illusion, a 8. I like being able to manipulate items of clothing to create a figure. In case you get cold during spring days, you can also throw on this jacket and it looks like really smart. I just want to quickly show you how you can wear this coat that I'm wearing as coat dress, if that makes sense. Take off this belt. I'm going to fully button up this jacket. None of your lady bits will be hanging out, trust me. Tie it around your waist. Here we have the jacket dress. I've literally just cinched in this jacket at the waist with the belt. I'm taking high street or affordable pieces and styling them in ways that look so expensive. Like, I absolutely love it. So I wanted to take this crop top and I wanted to put it over this shirt. This will be a really good alternative for people who do want to incorporate the whole bralette trend but are not comfortable with showing so much skin. Here is the crop top with the shirt. I think this is absolutely gorgeous because the crop top literally cinches in at the smallest part of the waist, holds up some boobage, but you're still fully covered up. And then can you see the very bouffant sleeves, which is very in for spring summer, are showing, and also all white, all neutrals. That's also a vibe for spring summer, but isn't it always? Groundbreaking. This is just a really nice alternative to the whole bralette top trend, especially if you're just not comfortable showing all of your skin. Very flattering on the body. Any oversized shirt that you have in your wardrobe, you can literally throw on a bralette top or even a crop top over it, and it looks really high end. Let me know what you guys think. If you like it, if you're gonna try it out, let me know. All right guys, that is the end of my huge Zara haul for spring summer 2020. I hope you guys enjoyed the styling. What outfit was your favorite? Let me know guys, and let me know what outfit you're going to be recreating. If you do recreate an outfit, don't forget to tag me on social media. All of my social media channels are there. Don't forget to follow me. If you like videos like this, please let me know in the comment section below so I can be doing more for you. If you like high street hauls, if you like styling hauls, let me know and I'll continue to do more. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know every time I upload. Subscribe, give this video a thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you all in my next video. Stay safe, stay calm, and we're all in this together. Take care. Bye bye.